Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from getting those dreams of yours up and running? What can I help you with today that could take your life to a higher level? Can you and me work together and get your next big adventure up and running? Now, drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, but first, here is your quote for today. Readjust, restart, refocus as many times as you need. Now, why does everything seem to move so fast these days? It's all fast-paced and often difficult to even try and catch up with exactly what's going on and what you've missed. This can leave you feeling a little bit frazzled and even confused. It's at this moment where you just need to take a step back, take a deep breath and just relax. Do this as many times as not only you want to, but you need to. Everything will still be there waiting for you in the end, but you just need to make sure that your mind is with you too.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.